Are you someone with no coding background and has no money to build or create a website? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 amazing websites that were built at no cost and with no code, and it will truly inspire you to also build a website for yourself or for your business. Hi, my name is Flynn from WordPress, and without wasting time, let's dive into the video. Now, the first website on the list is the website that you see right here. And as you can see, this is a portfolio website. This was done or created by an illustrator who wanted to showcase some of his works on his website. So as you can see, there's a menu at the top here, about four menus in here. There's also a search icon that you can use to search for what you are looking for. And then it has a simple logo here with a text that says Google Drawings. And when you happen to come onto this website, you can see that he's really leveraging his art, and he's really showing it that this is what he actually does. So you can actually see it right off the bat or what his website is about. So when you scroll, you can see that he's put images of some of his works in here, some of his illustrations of some amazing or some famous people out there. And when we scroll down, we see the layout is nicely done. It's very simple, it's not too much, but then it showcases what the artist actually does and his illustrations. So then again, some illustrations of famous people, famous actors, movie actors. And when you scroll down, it gives you, a feel of what he does and what he's all about. And these are some great designs. And then in the last section, there's an about us section of him in here, where he talks about himself, where he's from, and what he also does. So as you can see, this website is very clean. If you go to the next page on the process side, you can see there's another page in here where he talks about his process, what he goes through, and the process he goes through to come up with these illustrations. And he has put in there some of his YouTube videos as well. So you can see this is very clean. I like the whole layout of this website, and this was done at no code at all, with no cost. So he didn't have to buy any domain name or buy any hosting. He used Google Sites and it was free. The second website I would like to talk about is a website known as Joscom. Now, I think this website, they actually bought a domain and connected their Google sites to their domain name. And if you're looking to know how to link your Google or your domain name to your Google site, I have a video up here that shows you exactly how you can link your domain name with your Google site. But then again, this website was totally built using Google Sites. So let's just take a look around and see how the website actually looks like. So as you can see, there's an image in here. On the hero section, you can see there's a header, and they have some buttons in here that you can click, sign in to a customer portal. Obviously, I think this will lead you to another page or another website. Now there are FAQs in here, and you click on the FAQs, it takes you to the FAQ page, which is actually on this Google website also. So it brings you to a page where you can ask or get answers to some of the frequently asked questions. So yeah, the site you have our homepage in here. So when you scroll down, you can see there's a bit in here. There's a call to action button that says digital transformation starts with you. So this is actually a website that sells automation software for businesses to use. So on their website, I think they try and say so much about or talk about their products. So anybody who comes in here can just get a quick preview of what their automation softwares do and how it can benefit your business. This is what we do. What they do is in here too, and they have some images down here, button here. These are some testimonials about some happy clients. That is also in here, some of their customers. And then when you scroll down, their history, they talk about themselves and maybe the history of the company and the history of the product as well. And then when you scroll down, there's a footer section here where you get a menu guide to all the pages that are on this website. So I guess this website pretty much has a lot of menus in here. If you go to the about us, you can see there's a ton of menus down under about us menu, then resources, and then the support, and there's a search bar also. So this is pretty much something that was done with Google Sites, and as you can see, all they did was just buy a domain name and link their Google site to that domain name. So you want to see how you can actually link a domain name that you bought and then link it up with your Google site. Then again, I have this video up here which you can easily check and see how you can do that connection. So this is the second website I wanted to show you that was built with Google Sites. Now the next website is for an architectural firm in Johannesburg, which I chanced upon on the internet. And as you can see, if you are going to you're going to build a website for an architect firm, then it should really showcase architecture in general. So as you can see in here, the hero section, the opening hero section of the website actually shows a slideshow of some of their works that they've done. So when you scroll down, it shows you some of their services, which they've categorized into 4 sections. There's a news bit also in there, and this also has been cleanly and nicely done. I like how you have white spaces around the content, which does not make the website too clumsy when somebody visits the website. So I can see there's an about us section in here. They have some social media links down in here, and then some text at the footer section as well. They also have a menu section. They have services, they have a portfolio, they have news, contacts, and then call vector, also a menu. That also, let me see what is in here. So this also a page where they show you some 3D renderings of the architectural plans, and I think this is a YouTube video that they placed in here. And overall, this looks very clean. It's not very clumsy. It's just simple and straight to the point about their services. Let's go to portfolio and see what is here. So perfect. So in here you also see some of the works that they've done, and you can get to click on it, and it will also lead you to another page where they show you some of the works that they've actually done. So as you can see, this is nicely done, and with this one too, all they did was buy a domain name, but this site was actually built on Google Sites. Now the fourth website is for an Italian writer and author who travels around the world and journals his experience. So as you can see, this website is also nicely done. I like the way the colors are being made to project in the hero section when you open the page. And when you scroll down, there's a bit of text in there, but he makes good use of images in capturing the audience's attention. So once you scroll in there, there's some images in the background that makes the site a bit more interesting. So when you go down, you scroll to the last section in here, there is of course a social media link to some of his social media pages. So if you scroll back in here, let's go here and click on some of the menus. I think this is in Italian. Unfortunately, I can't speak Italian. I can't speak the language. So when you click on this one that says, is it Libro? I hope I got that right. So when you click on that, it also opens up a page for you, and you can see the page is very, very interesting. It really showcases that this person is somebody who travels. So wherever they go, they try to, take pictures of the places that he visits and then captures it with images in there, and it makes the site really, really interesting and captivating because of the use of a lot of imagery in this on this website. This website is also something that has a personal domain, so the domain has actually been bought, but you can see that this website was built with Google Sites. So it's very clean, very simple, but it's making good use of a lot of imagery, and that is what I like so much about this website. So as you can see, this is very simple, and it will cost you no code and no money at all to build something like this. Now the last website I'll show you in here is one for a school. So Google Sites is also good for building a school website, a very simple school website. Now this is a website that can give parents information about the new developments or upcoming events in the school. So as you can see here, there are just pictures of what they do. So you can see they have put some information there for the parents if you want to know what the volunteer work, the fundraising, the PTO board, and events and meetings in the school. So just some nice images that has been captured at the various events of the school, and then a little text to show something, a little bit about the school and all the information that the parents will need. So if you go to the About Us section, there's a little about us, a nice picture of the students in a session in here, events and meetings where they share a calendar actually of events, scheduled events in the school. And this was done with Google Calendar. So you can easily import Google Calendar into your Google site. There's a fundraisers bit in here. There's a volunteer section, and this is pretty much a very simple one, but you get the general idea. It gives just general information about what the school is about. So if you are also looking to build a very simple website for your school, you can also use Google Sites if you have no coding background and you have no money to also spend on the website. So there you have it. These are 5 amazing websites that was done with no code and at no cost at all. So I hope this inspires you to go ahead and use Google Sites. It's a free platform that you can use to create free websites for yourself or for your business. Thank you very much for joining, but please don't forget to also like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you very much for joining, and I hope to see you in the next video.